Hi, I'm Andrew Henry, and this is a product overview of our Spark light bearing inside the waistband holster series. This is our Spark light bearing inside the waistband holster. Like all of our other holsters, it is available either with a full or a partial sweat guard option. An important feature of our Spark light bearing holsters is that they have adjustable retention. The same two screws that are used to attach the light bearing Modwing also control the compression of these two rubber spacers, and that determines how tightly the holster clings to the body of your weapon light. If you want to loosen the retention, back these screws out a little bit. That will allow the rubber spacers to expand and will lessen the grip of the holster on the light. If you want your retention heavier, go the other direction. Tighten the screws down and the holster's grip on the light body will be increased. It is important that we keep these two screw adjustments roughly equal. We don't want to have one tight and one loose. That will crank the body of the holster out of alignment and will give you a poor fit on the light and will lead to premature wear and damage of your holster shell. All of our Spark light bearing holsters also do come with the light bearing Modwing. It is modular. It will come with the tall insert installed, and if you want to change that to the short insert, you simply remove this one screw, put in your short insert, and replace that screw. This is our dual soft loop with Modwing attachment option. We have two soft loops mounted directly to the holster shell. They are adjustable for ride height because there are slots in the shell. To change ride height, simply remove this screw, shift up or down in the slot in the holster shell, and then reattach the screw. The soft loops are also adjustable for belt size because we have multiple holes in the loop. To change for a larger or smaller belt, you'll remove this screw and shift which hole is in use, and then replace your screw. By going higher on the loop, you make the loop longer, which will accommodate a larger belt. This is our dual soft loop with Modwing attachment. This is our dual GripHook 1.5 with Modwing attachment option. These plastic overhooks are called GripHooks. They're called GripHook 1.5s because they will fit a 1.5-inch belt. We do also offer them in a 1.75-inch version, not shown in this video. It's the same basic clip, it's just a little bit longer here to accommodate a wider belt. There are slots in the holster shell so you can adjust the ride height by loosening these four screws and shifting your grip hooks up or down in parallel to change your ride height. If you want to change your cant, you can also offset one clip high, one clip low. The grip hooks do also have lateral slots that allow you to tip the grip hook in relation to the holster shell to adjust your cant. This is our dual GripHook 1.5 with Modwing attachment. This is our dual DCC 1.5 with Modwing attachment. DCC stands for Discrete Carry Concepts. They make these excellent steel clips. This is their Mod 4 1.5-inch universal clip. DCC makes a wide variety of metal clips of all different sizes and shapes for different belt widths and different ride heights and different applications. We have found this universal one to be the most widely applicable for our customers. However, if you need something different, check out DCC's website. They have a lot of great options there. The DCC clips have a vertical slot in them, so they're extremely adjustable for ride height because the combination of those vertical slots in the clip and the vertical slots in the holster shell itself mean you have a lot of room to adjust the height of the clips. If you want to adjust their cant, you have fewer options. The vertical slots don't allow you to tip the DCC clip in relation to the holster, but you can offset one clip a little high and one clip a little low to produce some forward or reverse cant. This is our dual DCC 1.5 with Modwing attachment.